Hello student, welcome to my class. In the last class we have discussed about the trigonometric ratios. So various trigonometric ratios you got and their properties, their application also we have done. Now trigonometric ratios we will do with some particular angles. So trigonometric ratio of the particular angles. We can write T ratios of particular angles. Particular angles means the value of the trigonometric ratios of those particular angles. Which are those particular angles? That is what? 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. These are taken as the particular angles. Their values we have to use, we have to calculate that one. You are having a table and we will give you also how to prepare that table. From there you will use those values. But before that, first of all we will like to see how those values have come. Just sin 30 degree means half. Is sin 60 equal to root 3 by 2. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Cos 45 1 by root 2. Like that's one. How they have come. So first of all we will like to find out these values of those angles. First we will get 45 degree. Its trigonometric ratios we will like to find out. So 45 degree, here trigonometric ratios means only right triangle we will able to apply now. So 45 degrees, in your mind which triangle will come? So first if we take like that one isosceles right triangle, means one angle is 90 degree and in triangle ABC, if angle B equal to 90 degree and AB equal to AC if you have taken, ये दोनों sides यदि equal, then what you will get? If AB equal to AC it is 90 degree, so you know two sides equal means its opposite angle also will be equal. A angle equal to angle C हो जाएगा. And since angle B is your 90 degree already having, so its value will be 90 to 90 left means 45 degree, 45 degree. And we are having AB equal to AC, that is equal to suppose X. AB X है तो AB X. We have supposed that one, let that be X. So since it is a right triangle, so automatically we will get AC equal to, by Pythagoras theorem, root under AB square plus BC square. That means root under x square plus x square. So 2x square, x बाहर हो जाएगा. That means root is only for the 2. That is you can say root 2x. So for this triangle all these three sides are known. And now with respect to 45 degree, any angle you can use. This angle or that angle जो भी करो. With respect to angle C, that is 45 degree you know. That is from that property sin C. With respect to this one, then it will be, but A angle बोलो जो भी बोलो दोनों ही same है, that's not the matter. If we use A, then it becomes the perpendicular and it becomes the base, it becomes the hypotenuse. And if you have used C, then it becomes perpendicular like this one. So sin A equal to, with respect to A, P by H. With respect to sin A, it will be what? BC by AC. So you can get sin 45 degree equal to BC means x by AC means root 2x. So sin 45 you are getting 1 by root 2. Similarly cos for A, that is your cos 45 degree यदि करो, cos means what it is? B by H. With respect to this A angle, B means what? AB by hypotenuse is AC. So cos 45 degree equal to AB means you have x or AC means root 2x. It is also coming 1 by root 2. Similarly tan A equal to P by B. With respect to A, P is your what? BC by A means AB. So it will be x by x, that is 1. So sin 45 1 by root 2, cos 45 1 by root 2, tan 45 tan A equal to this one, so tan 45 degree is equal to 1. So tan 45 1. They are reciprocal. Cosec 45 will be root 2 by 1. Cos ka reciprocal sec 45 will be root 2 by 1. And cot 45 will be 1. So from there the 45 degree we got. Now next one we have to get 60 degree and 30 degree. This 60 degree and 30 degree we can get from the same figure. First of all, if we want to get the 60 degree and 30 degree to get. So for 60 degree, in your mind I think this triangle will come, that is the equilateral triangle, ABC triangle, in which all the three sides are equal. Then we can say that is an equilateral triangle. जे मान लीजिए AB equal to BC equal to AC, that is suppose X. तो X है पूरा X. So since these all are equal, the angle A, angle B, angle C, all will be equal to 60 degree. So it is 60 degree, total 60 degree. It is also 60 degree. It is 60 degree. But for me, we have to get the right triangle to apply the trigonometry. So what you will do? You have to make that is right triangle. So what we have done? Draw AD perpendicular to BC. So see, if AD is perpendicular to BC, so now ADB triangle and ADC triangle, what do you have? AB equal to AC we have. It is 90-90 you have, and AD equal to AD common. So by RHS we can say triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD. That means by RHS it is congruent. So we can say BD equal to CD from CPCT, and total X you have. So it will be what? X by 2. AB X by 2. This is also X by 2. And BAD from CPCT, BAD is equal to CAD also. These two angles also will be equal, to each one will be 30 degree, 60 degree. So from this triangle ABD, angle D is 90 degree, angle B is 60 degree, and angle A is 30 degree, and AB equal to X, BD equal to X by 2. So by Pythagoras theorem, you can get AD square equal to AB square minus BD square. That means X square minus X square by 4, X by 2 ka square. So ultimately 3X square by 4. Or you can get AD equal to root under this one. तो x स्क्वायर के लिए x बार होगा, 4 के लिए 2 होगा, रूट इज ओनली फॉर द 3. It is x by 2x and it is coming root 3 by 2x. Now from there you can get all the trigonometric ratios there. First of all, if you want to find out the 60 degree, so that means angle B हो गया. So here sin 60 degree we can write P by H. With respect to B 60 degree, it is AD is the perpendicular and AB is the base. So root 3 by 2x by x. So sin 60 value is coming root 3 by 2. Cos 60 degree, with respect to 60, base is your B by H, base is your BD, by H is your AB. So it will come x by 2 by x. Ax कट जाएगा तो ultimately 1 by 2 will come. Next, tan 60 degree. Tan 60 मतलब P by B. That means AD by BD. AD is your root 3 by 2x और BD is 1 by 2x. देखो 2 भी कट जाएगा, x भी कट जाएगा. Root 3 हो गया. तो sin 60 is root 3 by 2, cos 60 1 by 2, tan 60 root 3. Therefore, here they are reciprocal also. Cosec 60 is 2 by root 3, cos 60 reciprocal, sec 60 is 2 by 1, tan 60 reciprocal is root 3, that means root 3 by 1, so 1 by root 3 to you. So in this way all these value you can get, and from there also 30 degree if you want to calculate, means with respect to this one, so sin C 30 degree, its P with respect to this one, P is your BD by AB. That means what it will be, 1 by 2x by x. So x cut here, so ultimately it will come 1 by 2. So sin 30 is 1 by 2, cos 30 degree is your 30 का respect में base is your AD and hypotenuse is your AB. So it will come root 3 by 2x by x. तो ये कट जाएगा, तो it will be root 3 by 2. Cos 30 root 3 by 2 and tan 30 P by B 30 का respect में BD by AD. So it will come 1 by 2x by root 3 by 2x. तो 2 कट जाएगा, रूट x कट जाएगा, तो अल्टीमेटली 1 बाई रूट 3. तो tan 30 is your 1 by root 3. तो sin 30 half means cosec 30 2 by 1, cos 30 root 3 by 2 means sec 30 2 by root 3, and tan 30 root 1 by root 3 means cot 30 root 3. So these are the standard angles we have. We have to follow this one, and you will do this one. With table, you are having a table. Using table, you will do that one, and then first you will practice that one. Table बनाओ, देखोगे. You will do that one with the table, and in the next class we will discuss also how to prepare the table, and we can do that one. First, you will start the exercise 11 up to question number 15. You will practice. Question number 15, 1 to 15. 1 to 15 in exercise 11. You will do that one, and next we will do by preparing the table also. Thank you.